When you die in a video game, you don't cry over it. You don't have a couple of drinks. You don't go outside for a smoke and call your mom and tell her that you can't beat the game. You try again. If you're capable of doing this, if you can gamify your life, then you will beat the game. People who play video games know this. You don't play the same game forever. You play one game, you beat it, then you pick a new game. Elementary school is the first game. Once you beat it, you play the game of high school. But some people don't like that game, so they get rid of it and they find a new game to play. So the notion that some people drop out of high school and go on to start businesses or start travel vlogs, this is important. They were put into a slot. They loaded up the game of high school and they had the balls to say, I don't like this, I'm leaving. If you don't like the game that you're playing, then you don't even have to play it. It will collect dust on a shelf, and that's okay. But the problem is that the time still passes anyways. Time doesn't care that you're unhappy, you're frustrated, you're lost or confused. Time will consume you and spit you out without you even realizing it's happening. So choose the game that suits your fancy and delve deep into the intricacies of its storyline. When you dive into the game, you fall into the flow. Pay attention to what went wrong and start again from the beginning. This time smarter, faster, more present, endlessly aware. You reach the end of the level and you celebrate. Then you start the next level. You enter new levels and remember the secret moves you can make to jump ahead and skip everything you've tried before. But whatever you do, whatever happens, don't give up. Don't stop playing the game. It's not the game that's the problem. Many people have played the exact same game that you're playing right now and they've beaten it. Some beat the game quickly, some take longer to beat the game, but that's none of your business. Your experience of the game that you're playing is yours and yours alone. So pay attention, learn from your hits and falls, and have fun. It's just a game.